Japan is an island nation located in East Asia, known for its rich culture, advanced technology, and deep historical roots. The history of Japan can be traced back to prehistoric times, with evidence of human habitation dating as far back as the Paleolithic period. Around 300 BC, the Reiwa people from the Korean peninsula brought new technologies such as rice cultivation and metalworking to the Japanese archipelago, marking the beginning of the Reiwa period. The Kofun period, approximately 250 to 538 AD, followed, characterized by the construction of large burial mounds and the emergence of a centralized government under the Yamato clan. This period saw the introduction of Buddhism to Japan from Korea, which would greatly influence Japanese culture and politics. The Asuka period, 538 to 710 AD, saw the consolidation of imperial power and the establishment of a legal system based on Chinese models. During the Nara period, 710 to 794 AD, the first permanent capital was established in Nara, and Buddhism flourished further. However, it was during the Heian period, 794 to 1185 AD, that Japanese culture truly began to develop its unique characteristics, with the emergence of a distinct literary and artistic tradition exemplified by works such as The Tale of Genji by Murasaki Shikibu. The Kamakura period, 1185 to 1333 AD, marked the rise of the samurai class and the establishment of a feudal system under the rule of the shogunate. This era was followed by the Muromachi period, 1336 to 1573 AD, which saw the flourishing of Zen Buddhism and the arts, despite ongoing military conflicts. The Sengoku period, 1467 to 1603 AD, was a time of constant civil war and social upheaval, which ultimately ended with the unification of Japan under the Tokugawa shogunate during the Edo period, 1603 to 1868 AD. The Edo period was marked by a long era of peace, economic growth, and isolationist foreign policies. Modernization efforts began in earnest during the Meiji Restoration, 1868 to 1912 AD, as Japan rapidly transformed into an industrialized nation and emerged as a global power. This period of modernization continued into the Taisho, 1912 to 1926 AD, and early Showa, 1926 to 1989 AD periods. However, Japan's imperial ambitions led to its involvement in World War II, which ended with its defeat in 1945. The post-war period saw Japan emerge as a democratic nation and a leading economic power, achieving remarkable growth during the 1950s to the 1980s. Today, Japan continues to play a significant role in global affairs, balancing its rich traditions with modern innovation.